Good evening. I decided to do my pamphlet and my pamphlet on Louise Alert. She was born on November 9th, 1934. Her mother was a seamstress, and her father had a basement workshop. So her father would give her scraps of woods and nails and stuff that she could do art with, and her mother would give her scraps of fabric. So at a very young age, she started sculpting and painting. She was never really satisfied with her work, so she would rewrite, redraw all the time. Her favorite thing to do was to make collages because she could just put stuff together. She graduated from the University of Wisconsin-Madison with a large degree in English and psychology. She then went to Leighton School of Arts. After getting her degree, she worked as an apprentice in an art studio delivering illustrations. But in the evening, she could work on her own art. She has quite a process that she uses to create her books. First, she does a dummy book, and she draws everything in pencil. And then she determines the subject matter of the book. Once she picks a topic, then she does extensive research to learn more about that topic. Then she will begin her art work, which involves her actually cutting out each individual piece and then gluing them on the pages of her book, because she doesn't only write her books, she illustrates her books. She has won several awards, which I didn't actually put on one of the Power Screen presentations, but her books are actually quite fantastic. One of the favorite kids' books that she has wrote that I love to read to my children is Chicka Chicka Boom Boom. That book is so colorful. It's about the alphabet trying to go up a tree and them not making it and going boom, boom, boom. My kids actually loved that book. I still own that book. Sometimes I still read it to them. But she had so many great books: Growing Vegetable Soup, Planting a Rainbow, Chicka Chicka Boom Boom, Color Zoo, Eating the Alphabet, Color Farm, Fish Eyes, Red Leaf, Yellow Leaf. Just so many different things. I found so much information on her with reliable resources. I'll tell you the interviews that I found with especially the readingrockets.org. Her interview on her process of how she does her books is actually intriguing. It seems like she has a really good process on being able to do those books, learn about them, and be able to process the thought of how she does them. She is a very creative author. I look forward to many more books of hers in the future. She still does books. I think it's fantastic that she not only writes her books, but she illustrates her books, because that doesn't only put language arts and reading and writing into play with her stuff, but it also adds art to the long list of things, and she researches all the things that she does, and so that is pretty fantastic. I would recommend any book from her for children, starting as young as toddlers all the way up into school, because I think there's a lot that people could learn from her, and especially when you watch her interviews and the things that she teaches you on her creative process. There's just so much that you could do. I think that it would be great for her to come to school and talk to kids, especially college level, if that's something that you're interested in doing, is literature, maybe writing children's books, or writing other things. I think that it is fantastic learning from her. I really enjoyed all of the processes that she goes through. Thank you.